Okay, we have question 3 over 8 minus 1 over 20. This is a calculation about a fraction, so we should get a LCD. If we don't have a same denominator, it's hard to calculate. So we first step we factor 8. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 20 is 4 times 5. 4 times 5 also we can rewrite 2 times 2 times 5. Okay, now LCD, it means we have a common denominator. Here there is 3 2. We have here, but we don't have a factor 5. So we should time 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay, this is LCD. So we write there 3 over 8 minus 1 over 20. So 3 over 8 time we have 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so we should time 5. Don't forget, if you denominator time one number, and meanwhile the numerator you should also time this same number, otherwise they will make a calculation wrong. Okay, time 5 minus 20 is here, but 20 we have 2, we have 5, we have 2, but here we have 3, so that means we short one 2, we time 2. Okay, the original denominator is 1, but now denominator we time 2, so also we time 2. So 5 times 8 is 40, 20 times 2 is 40, so our denominator is 40. So here 40. 3 times 5 is 15. So 1 times 2 is 2 minus 2. So solution is 13 over 40. So our solution is this. 13 over 40 must be simplified. We should not have other common factor. If we have, we must take them out.